Hi friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Lisa News. I hope you'll be fine. Today I'm telling about RM Right Place Wrong Person review and intriguing interrogation of feeling lost in life. When Amy met RM before the release of his debut solo album Indigo in 2022, he appeared to be in a period of reflection, wondering what his life would be like if he'd chosen another path, trying to figure out who he was at 29 as someone who had spent his whole adult life at varying levels of superstardom. I felt like if they're at work on my 29th year, it should be named Untitled because nothing is decided. He explained at the time, I don't know what to do right now. I just made some album and this is me. I'm just figuring it out. That's a feeling that the RM BTS leader continues on his second solo album, Right Place Wrong Person. If Indigo began his untangle the web of RM's life, who he is and where he want to go next, then his new record peak time things up to a point where the unraveled threads are peeling up and spinning chaotic and new mazes. Sometimes things have to get messier before they can be cleared up, and here we are thrown into the eyes of the storms of confusion and feeling out of the place. The idea of right place, right and wrong, and being caught with on foot in each permeate the whole album. Right place, right people in wrong place is creator mutters in a low, hypnotic voice. The line taking in a domy mantra fill in mash of ominous saints and bass. The track later on Nats RM suggests I can make this right place for you. A kind gesture on the face of things, but one that beneath its surface hints that all is not at its idea peak at present. If you spend your life waiting for everything to be just perfect, so I'll be waiting for a long time for satisfaction that will never come. It's a lesson that the rapper seems to become aware of in the album's second half when he began to embrace life's imperfection as something to cherish. On the Shogazi Heaven, he invites someone to come ruin my vibe, seemingly confident then he'll be fine even if they take him up on the challenge. Lost meanwhile take active player on in not knowing where are you going in life and trying to find our way in new experiences. In a Kodam loss, RM sings cheerfully over the track bouncy bassline. I never been to club before I hit the club. I never felt so free before. Later in the song he looks up on the sky in the sky. I see silver cloud, a piece of imagery that could have different interpretations. It is a silver cloud of rain because about to unleash the downpour or more of a silver lining. The final line of right place wrong person feels like an emphatic confirmation that though RM might not have found all the answers to his question, he's at least ready to draw conclusions that the boundary between right and wrong is more blurred than the word would have you believe. You are my pain, Darwin. He shares on Come Back to Me, accepting that life's negative experiences can be just as beautiful as a positive. You can also read this news from the description and I also given that. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do like this video and subscribe the channel. Have a nice time. Good